Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at the tariffs post-market crash. On the daily interval, things may not look like something is crashing, but once I take you to the hourly interval or lower time frames in the post-market, you can see this brutal crash, not across one or two stocks, but across the whole market. S&P 500 is right now what I'm showing you. So we'll talk about from the lens of technicals, how do we trade, or what should we be looking for tomorrow for particular trades. Now, tariff stuff, Mr. Trump came out, laid it out on the faces of all the countries, right? And well, that's the moving forward has been now written on papers that this is the way things would be, and at least in the post-market market, it's not liking it. So always remember when such events happens and there's a lot of volatility, especially in the post market, the next day is also expected to be volatile on either direction. Market can either love it or hate it. You don't know if right now you think market will just go down tomorrow. Sometimes you may be surprised, market might just flip, because no one knows how these events like earnings or these type of tariffs, whatever. Yes, even the economies would shrink, in my opinion, things would a little bit slow down in coming days and market may not like it. But as I said, you just never know. Market has given surprises and who knows, tomorrow things may go up. But so point being, how do we identify in the structure and through technicals until where will remain in the weakness and bearish, and where things may start to turn around again back to the upside. So let's talk about all of that in this video, and we'll be taking a look at S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, Tesla, Nvidia, and AMD. These will be the list for today, and with that, let's jump right into it. So starting off with S&P 500, but before that I also want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion, nothing more than that. Please do your own thing. Now, right now, daily interval it may seem like irrelevant based on the post-market price action, but as you can see, the double bottom that we were holding, right? It did do intraday really nicely for us. However, now in the post-market where we are 550, which is right around the corner here. Now here's the thing. So tomorrow, be prepared if there is a likelihood of a liquidity grab below this double bottom. Price is right around the corner, 550. Let me actually mark it with a line here. All right, this is where the price is. So just be careful as if it comes down. If this has to be a liquidity grab, as soon as we start to get back up again 552 after dipping below, we will intraday start to go back up. So just you have to be careful if that liquidity grab happens, because I'm telling you, these type of events will surprise you sometimes. All right, and that will conclude a double bottom and a liquidity grab. However, if we, let's say, fall below this, continue to go below this area of 546, and you don't see on any lower time frame any structure turn bullish, and my tools helps you in all of that, it will tell you where the structure is turning bullish or bearish, both, right? You can play both long and short based off of my tools on across any interval, any stock. Check out the details in the description of this video if you are interested in my tools. Now, and as long as structure then stays bearish and we don't regain back up again any of the zones like 552 or even this 555, technically the good one will be 555 above. And as we stay below, even intraday below 555, there is a weakness. S&P 500 will just continue lower. Okay, 555 only above, there is some good start of a structural regain is possible, otherwise no. And liquidity grab, as I just said, for intraday, just watch this area 546. If we dip below, come back up and start to go above 552, at least intraday you can get an uptrend. And then, as I said, just be a little bit careful up above, and good one will be like a proper structure change will be above 555. That will just be a rebound with the liquidity grab, at least for tomorrow, right? Unless it gets above 555 right away. So that's to watch on S&P 500. And similarly, same principles will apply across all other stocks and indices, as we'll talk about, but specifically what those levels across those specific stocks are, we'll talk about that as well right now. Nasdaq 100, oh no, brutal collapse, brutal collapse. $460 in the post market, right over here. And Nasdaq 100 was already weak, guys. It's just right, and this is where it is. Now, definitely keep an eye on the liquidity grab scenarios that I just told you on S&P 500. For this, it will be like if it dips lower and then regains above this 462 area, some rebound may start to happen for the day. But the structure regain back even in the intraday uptrend like that, just intraday rebounds or intraday and multi-day uptrend, that was it. Overall structure was bearish still, as I have been saying. The regain will be only above 467 of the uptrend. Otherwise, no, we'll remain in the downtrend even after the rebound, as with the liquidity grab, if that's the possibility. So Nasdaq 100 447, as if we just continue lower, don't show any bullish structure on my tools, then 448 is the magnet, which is not very far away now. So that's your Nasdaq 100 to watch tomorrow. All right. Okay, let's get to Tesla now. Tesla also did a really awesome job. Tesla is actually not that bad still, and I have been saying, guys, look, I have been saying to you on Tesla, and my tools helps you, as I said, helps you in all of this. Now, Tesla is just fine. I have been saying this is a really good pivot on the weekly interval. We'll get to the lower time frame as well in just a second for the post market. And on the weekly interval, I have been telling you that this is the good amount of buyer sitting in here, right? And for today, I said that, guys, be prepared. We're gonna go up. Even their delivery numbers came down, no problem. Why so? That's why those things doesn't matter. Why so? And that's why technicals matter. So you got my point, right? So now Tesla, I would argue that is still doing better than other stock market. Yeah, like S&P 500 still red, Nasdaq 100 still quite red. Those are indices, right? But Tesla, and we'll take a look at Nvidia and AMD as well, but Tesla is doing still just fine. Yes, it's a sell-off, it's a reaction, but it's still doing fine. It's not that bad actually. Tesla, as long as any of these significant level, if we can hold 269, 265, we will be fine on Tesla. All right, for intraday still, there is still strength possibility. And definitely, if we really you have to be a little bit careful tomorrow. It's what my point is. If you are really looking for a strong, good breakout, confirmed play on an uptrend, then the level will be 277 intraday. And overall structure, though, I'll still say is in the near-term intraday and the strength. Tesla is doing just fine in the overall structure and good breakout. If you want to avoid the volatility and uncertainty and don't want to trade a rebound possibility, you just want to look at proper breakout uptrend in this overall multi-day uptrend, then 277 breakout above is your play, right? And otherwise, yeah, below that some weakness may remain, but then since it's still intraday multi-day uptrend, you can still find some rebounds to play in an uptrend, right? So that's that. Okay, so yes, Tesla is not that bad, guys. Still a really good move today. And let's see if now it will be all about breaking out above 200 days moving average. If Tesla does that, wow, guys, wow, this is gonna open up the doors to then 325 again and possibly 372 as well again. We'll see. But yes, it will be really coming back nicely for us. All right, Nvidia. Nvidia post market $106. You can see on the right side here, right? The number. So 106, let's really quickly mark it here, 106 and 50 cents. Possibility of a liquidity grab, that's a likelihood. However, yeah, if that doesn't happen and if we lose 104 and 70 cents like really nicely, then 97 is the possibility. So we'll have to see. Let's get to the hourly interval. And it's already actually getting bought back up with the liquidity grab. But anyways, if you're looking for a good, really like a good one, good uptrend, and actually I still need this box actually, it's important. If you want to regain the structure on this, some strength will start to come back on above 107 and 56 cents on Nvidia. But anyhow, the strong uptrend on the daily interval is not there until we again regain above 110. Okay, so that's something to watch. All right, that's Nvidia, easy peasy, simple. And let's just one more thing. That's that. So some strength is possible above 107 and 56 cents. Below that, no, definitely weakness. And the daily interval again will have to get above and stay above 110 for again gaining that strength back again a little bit on the daily interval. And then really like a confirmed long-term uptrend start will be again 115 and 40 cents above. All right, AMD. AMD also in the post market down, and this is really down right now, $99. Poor thing. Coming down straight right over here. Let's get to the hourly interval right away. And yeah, this poor thing found a really good support today, again at that significant level. And unfortunately, post-market broke it, right? Just like any other stock. With AMD, I would say your better chance again on this on an uptrend is only about 101 and 30 cents. Otherwise, no, right? So otherwise, this will remain weak. That's all I had for you guys in this video. And guys, with that, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.